What is amplifier? Amplifier is an electronic device which is used for the amplification of the signal. What is amplification? Amplification is a process of strengthening the weak signal. Triangle is a standard block diagram symbol for the amplifier. The output signal will have some, or all, of the characteristics of the input signal but will generally be larger than the input signal in terms of voltage, current, or power. Classification of amplifiers. The amplifiers are categorized as follows. Based upon the parameter that is amplified at the output, the amplifiers are classified as voltage amplifier and power amplifier. The voltage amplifier circuit increases the voltage level of the input signal. The power amplifier circuit increases the power level of the input signal. Based on the frequency range of the signals being used, there are audio and radio amplifiers. Audio amplifiers are the amplifier circuit that amplifies the signals that lie in the audio frequency range, that is from 20 Hz to 20 kHz frequency range, is called as audio amplifier. Radio amplifiers are the amplifier circuit that amplifies the signals that lie in a very high frequency range, is called as radio amplifier. Based on their mode of operation, there are Class A, Class B and Class C amplifiers. The biasing conditions in Class A power amplifier are such that the collector current flows for the entire AC signal applied. Amplifier device remains active for the entire time and use complete input signal. The biasing conditions in Class B power amplifier are such that the collector current flows for half cycle of input AC signal applied. Amplifier device remains active for half cycle of the input signal. The biasing conditions in Class C power amplifier are such that the collector current flows for less than half cycle of input AC signal applied. Amplifier device remains active for less than half cycle of the input signal. The Class AB power amplifier is one which is created by combining both Class A and Class B in order to have all the advantages of both the classes and to minimize the problems they have. Amplifier device remains active between 180° and 200°. Based on the number of amplification stages, there are single-stage amplifiers and multi-stage amplifiers. Single-stage amplifiers, this has only one transistor circuit, which is a single-stage amplification. Multi-stage amplifiers, this has multiple transistor circuit, which provides multi-stage amplification. Based on the method of coupling one stage to the other, amplifiers are classified as direct-coupled amplifier, RC-coupled amplifier, transformer-coupled amplifier, and capacitor-coupled amplifier. Direct-coupled amplifier is a multi-stage amplifier circuit that is coupled to the next stage directly, can be called as a direct-coupled amplifier. RC-coupled amplifier is a multi-stage amplifier circuit that is coupled to the next stage using resistor and capacitor. RC combination can be called as a RC-coupled amplifier. Transformer-coupled amplifier is a multi-stage amplifier circuit that is coupled to the next stage with the help of a transformer, can be called as a transformer-coupled amplifier. Capacitor-coupled amplifier is a multi-stage amplifier circuit that is coupled to the next stage with the help of a capacitor, can be called as a capacitor-coupled amplifier. Based on the magnitude of the input signal applied, they can be categorized as small signal and large signal amplifiers. When the input signal is so weak so as to produce small fluctuations in the collector current compared to its quiescent value, the amplifier is known as small signal amplifier. When the fluctuations in collector current are large I beyond the linear portion of the characteristics, the amplifier is known as large signal amplifier. Based on the transistor configuration, amplifiers are classified as CE amplifier, CB amplifier, and CC amplifier. CE amplifier. The amplifier circuit that is formed using a CE configured transistor combination is called as CE amplifier. CB amplifier. The amplifier circuit that is formed using a CB configured transistor combination is called as CB amplifier. CC amplifier. The amplifier circuit that is formed using a CC configured transistor combination is called as CC amplifier. There are some special amplifiers like differential amplifier, operational amplifier, etc.